see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
have a big sleep, Mom.
Anong oras na?
Sabi ko,
Napa yung napapadawan niya. Good morning! Uy, good morning! Good morning! Si Zach tulog pa, si Kuya andun. And kagabi, di ko na na-close yung vlog kasi na-lowbat ako. And then yung dala kong battery, lowbat din pala yun. Did you enjoy last night? Ako, hindi masyado. Takot kasi ako sa height. Kaso, gusto nilang sumakay eh. First time nila, pero nag-enjoy sila. Pero hindi ko na sila masyadong na-vlog nga din eh. Kasi, aside sa takot ako, lowbat din yung aking camera. Ay, yung dalawang batteries. Right, Baba?
Nail paint.
Aww. Did you like the Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I thought it was fast Ferris wheel.
Ah, you said it was fast, but it wasn't.
Yeah, it's going
Slow.
like this.
Na-slowhan pa siya doon.
Breathe!
Slow man talaga siya. Kaso lang, ayoko lang yung parang inuyug. Yung pang nasa taas ka ba, parang nayuyug-yug ka. Right, Papa? Morning, Zach. Did you enjoy the Ferris wheel last night? How about you, Ya? Oh, sila enjoy. Pati si Tita Race. Right? Tita Race loves it. Right, Holly?
Who does?
How about Tita Race?
Yeah.
How about Mommy?
No. He was holding on the pole.
And what Mommy's doing?
They're crying.
Where are you going today, boys? Golf. And ako, di ako nakapag-edit kagabi as in, nakatulog na ako. Pero may vlog naman akong na-edit na isa, pero hindi ko pa na-public. Ngayon ko yun i-public. Yay! Ayan na sila, nakaligo na silang lahat. What?
Myself.
Yourself?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Can you see yourself?
Yeah, I have to wear this on so I look even prettier. Done.
That it looks
Myself.
okay.
Pretty.
What's so tight? Sure.
You got belly now, Kuya. Nag-change siya kasi tight daw. The t-shirt, Kuya? Or the short? Kasi nagkakaroon siya ng belly a little bit. You have to run now, Kuya. Nagdi-drive na pala kami papuntang Harbor Town kasi mag-breakfast kami and sila ready na sila, nakapag golf outfit na sila. And si Baba, hi! Siyang naglagay ng ipit niya. You look so pretty. You look so pretty. And pinupunasan ko lang yung ating shades. Ha? Oh, Baba, si Moshi, oh. Ha? Oh, wait a minute. Hold, Kuya, please. Thank you. What are you doing again? Ah, you're gonna put Moshi in there. Alright. Yan yung bag na nabili natin sa Zara. Dito na tayo sa Harbor Town, guys. And ang aga. What time is it? I think 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock?
Jump attack.
And si Holly, ayan, dala niya yung kanyang backpack. Baba. And gusto niya mag-leggings. She looks so pretty. Yeah? Yeah, so you be careful. Okay. Go. Come on, Baba. Hurry up, Daddy. Tingin-tingin siya. Let's have breakfast first, hon.
I'm getting
Dito kami guys sa paborito ni Sak na sushi bar dito sa Cherry Blossom. Kaso sarado pa sila, oh. May tao sa loob pero sarado pa. Nak, they are there but still closed. Do you wanna wait? Ayaw niya naman mag-wait. Si Jan tsaka si TJ and Holly nasa Gloria Jeans. Doon sila nag-breakfast. So what do you wanna do now? Smiggle? That's not breakfast. Huh? You wanna get something? So nga pumunta sa Smiggle. But I wanna get my food sack. Wait, come here. I will look here. Come here. No. Dito ako sa sa Fiesta Cafe and Restaurant para sa quesadilla. Kaso ano pa raw, mga 20 minutes pa raw sila mag-serve. So, kami ni Sak walang breakfast. So, what we gonna do na sa Smiggle? Punta muna kayo sa Smiggle. And may nakita rin ako na bukas na yung MCL. Tingin tayo. And yung suot ko pala, Sak, can you vlog me sa... Sayo kay Sak, sayo kay Sak, hawakan niyo pa. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung suot natin ngayon. Ito yung nabili ko sa Mangoes nung kasama ko si Race. Ito yung mahaba na... Ayan. Sana makita niyo. So, ito... Wait na! So, ito yung suot ko ngayon. And naglagay ako ng inner kasi medyo see-through siya. So, meron tayong inner. And ito yung ating bag. Paso. Yeah. Now, I'm just gonna look. You said you're gonna go to Smiggle. So, ito kasi yung unang madadaanan natin bago yung Smiggle. Pasok tayo dito sa MCL Fashion. Come on. Ay, ang daming cute. Ito yung uso, ngayon. Parang katulad ng suot ko ngayon, Yung may, huh? Yeah. Are you gonna pay? We'll see if I could find something. Wait, baby. Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Wait nga lang. Tingin muna tayo. Ay, ang cute nitong blue. My goodness. So, eto. Ang cute nito. Etong uso ngayon yung mga puff sleeves. Ayan, Tapos, tiered. Diba? Cute siya. Etong suot ko, ganyan. Yung parang, may siya, may 3 colors. Meron din sila, Pero ito, 1 color lang siya, Tapos may tiered na naman siya, Tapos may dito? Pleats? Yes? Ang dami. One thing. I'm not sure, Baba. Ayan lang, ang dami. Wait lang. Pardon? Naririnig niyo siya. Usap.
10,000 million.
Wow. Wait lang, okay. Wait.
I've been on my way up, now it's really far down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground. In October it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night.
Okay, my belt.
No.
Blue,
Nice?
blue,
Huh?
blue better.
The blue is better. How about I'll get this too? Alright?
That's it.
That's it. Madali niya.
Are you buying it?
I'm gonna try it first. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Yeah. Minamadali kasi ako nito. Hindi pa sana ako tapos. Nakabili tayo ng 2. Yung nakita nyo. Ha? Ano? Here's. Turn niya rin daw. Okay. Smiggle tayo naman. Ano kaya nga hanapin nitong isa? For Holly, may nakita siya yo-yo. And Kuya TJ, wow, good job, Sak. Kinuna niya yung mga kapatid niya. Okay, thank you. You too. Thank you. Okay, balikan natin yung quesadilla. Ha? Do you want some? It's good. Tumawag na si Jan. Andun si Jan, kinuha ni Zach. Wala pa kasi yung namin, yung food. And si Sak, mag-share na lang kami kasi sarado pa dun sa ano, dun sa kung saan gusto niya kumain. Hi, Baba! You're welcome! And, ayan si Sak, kinunan din siya ni TJ.
Mommy?
Yes?
I got my bag.
What you got here? Let me see, wait. You're welcome. Meron din si Holly yung bouncy ball. Ito na yung food namin. Where are we going now, Han? Can we eat it here? Can we eat it here? Ha? Okay. At dito na si Saka. Kinakain niya na yung quesadilla. Ha? You like it?
Yeah.
Don't worry about the onions. Do you like it? Si Yam? And si Jan, si Kuya, tsaka si Holly, naglalakad sila papunta doon. So, kain muna kami ni Sak.
Is it fresh?
Yeah, it's fresh.
Right?
Huh? Mexican food. Akala ko fresh yung tinatanong niya. French pala. Oh, it's alright. You have to use cutlery. You have to use this. Pang ano niya na yan? That's your second. Ano siya? 4 slices siya, guys. Hi, Papa!
Oh, that.
We're almost done.
I'm sorry. So I'll stay with you, Mom.
We're almost done, huh? Tapos na sila mag-ano. Last bite. Sarap. Sarap. So, punta na kayo doon sa may playground kasi dito. Okay. It's open now. So, ayan na yung kanya. You're full now? Bukas na sana yung cherry blossom na sushi, Kaso busog na raw siya. Andyan si Jan sa off-play and yung mga bata, andito na sila sa playground. Ayun si Holly, And si Kuya and Sak over there. Ayan si Holly. Go, Baba! Can you reach it? Yeah! Mahuhulog na yung ipit mo, Baba. Good job! Good job! One more! You have to swing. Swing it. Swing it. Yeah, swing. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay! Good job, Baba. Ooh! Yeah! Good job! She made it, Sam. Okay. Good job! And this Zach, of course. Okay. Go, Zach. How about you, yeah? Could you do that? Yeah? What Zach are you doing? Tingnan ko si Zach. Ang lakas talaga ng upper body ni Zach. Good job, Zach! Okay. Don't touch it.
I lost all my grip.
I know.
2 years
2 years old
old.
na daw. No, ha? No. 6 months. Or less than a year.
Maybe 12.
And andyan na si Jan. Wala siya nakuha ata. Dito kanina sila Jan and Kuya and Holly nag-breakfast sa Gloria Jean's Coffees. Nihintay lang namin yung mga bata. Andun ba sila naglalaro? Anong oras na ba? 11. 11 na, guys. Papunta na kami balik kami yata sa hotel.
Dad! Look what Kuya did! Kuya has more dots than us. I know, she's not.
Stop kami dito sa Star Mart. Kuha siya ng coffee. Kasi yung coffee raw na nabili niya, iba raw yung lasa. So, check nga raw kung mayroong bagong lagay. Yeah?
Does this light up? It's a light.
I didn't. Oh, careful, kuya. I think
Does it
so.
light up?
Not sure.
It's a light show, that is. But you have to do it properly.
Yeah. No coffee.
Like that box.
No coffee, Han?
No, they're all 25th of January.
Ayaw niya yung ano, kasi yung nakuha niya, yung date is 25th of January. Tapos ang pangit daw ng lasa, so hindi siya kumuha. Ang kinuha niya ay the other coffee. Yung isa, yung light. What? What?
These.
Shit daw yung ano, yung lasa nun. Ito ba? Yung iced coffee strong, pero kailangan niya ng coffee. Kaya wala siyang choice. So, itong kinuha niya. Hintayin na lang namin sila dito sa car. Dito na kami sa hotel, guys. Mag-change lang naman si Kuya TJ and baka rin si Jan. Bumaba ako ng car kasi kunin ko yung jacket ni Holly kasi parang lalamig ang hangin maya-maya. Oh, you're right? Are they ready? What's wrong, Han?
Well, I'll tell you.
Okay, where's the jacket?
Ask me to tell you.
Yeah, it was there.
Alright then.
Where did she put it? Okay na, okay. Mag-yo-yo raw ako kasi si daddy niya ang galing mag-yo-yo. Yeah, I'm coming, Baba. Okay. Okay. Wait. Si Jan kasi may paano pa siya. Yung, alam mo yun, yung parang, wait lang. Wait. May pag-ganun-ganun pa kasi si Jan, oh. Okay, wait.
That it?
What? What else? Like this?
That it? Can you do this?
What? Like daddy?
Yeah.
See?
You can do it.
So at least marunong ako. No, daddy's better. Tawa siya. Mahaba pa kasi sa kanya. Kailangan niya mag... What? Wait, Holly. Pasikat to sa akin. Sige nga, ano ang kaya mong gawin? Yung tinatapon-tapon. Kasi si Jan, pag ganun-ganun si Jan. Na. Alright, I'm going in the car now. Kasi tinatawag tayo ni Holly. Sabi ni Kuya, nandito raw yung jacket niya. Yeah, nandito raw yung jacket ni Holly. Yung ano ba, denim. Yeah?
Yes, I can open this.
That's too long for you, Baba. That's too long for you.
No, I can do it.
Andun pala. Ayun, oh. Okay. And, ayan na si Kuya and Daddy. Nakabihis na sila ng pang-golf. Lahat naman sila. Sisa kanina pa eh. Looks nice, Han.
Huh?
Looks nice.
Dad,
Pogi.
I'm ready to open it.
Drive lang muna kami bago mag-golf. Tingin-tingin.
I remember we tried to take this way to the big horse. Yeah, that was a little cat.
This one's nice. Yeah, look. Tingin ng bahay. Design ba? Ayan, that's nice. Yeah. Which one? That too. I like that.
Not that one.
No.
I love that one.
You love that one, Baba? Okay. Gusto raw yun ni Holly. One? You like this one? Yeah.
Same.
Ang ganda ng design ng bahay dito. Oh. Wait, honey. Slowly, please.
Why do I get
Slowly. Ang ganda, no? That one too, Han. Go inside the Han. That one. There. There.
Wow.
Ha. Ayan, oh,
That's
ganda.
good because the wind's always this way, see?
Yeah.
Is that one?
Yeah. I think so.
Hell, man.
Wow. Isang bahay lang pala yan, guys. Ang laki.
That's
Wow. It is huge.
And the
Yung nasa front, pati yung likod kanila pa pala. Ayan. Beach front sila. Ah, hindi. Back pala. Kasi yung kanina sa harapan yan. Pero ayan yung view
that's
nila.
the Pacific.
Yeah. How about this one here?
Mom, ship.
Yeah. Look at this one. No, I like the other one. The first one. At the corner.
Oh, this is the Pacific Ocean. The date ocean.
Wait, here, hon. So, oops.
That is the one of the Pacific.
This is apartment, hon.
Yeah. See how the shit's going all rusty right on the seafront? So look at all, see on the bottom and all that?
Yeah.
That's what happens if you don't do it. That's all that plaster. Look at that thing over there,
Cracking.
over on the other side, that tin thing.
So,
So you just got to, whatever you do on the seafront, you got to do it properly. You got to do it once.
okay. Ikaw nang
Yeah,
bahala.
just see all the runs and the rust.
Yes.
Yeah, look, rust.
Rust. Yep. But look at this one.
Yeah, they're brand new, but
They're brand new. Look at this one.
There's lots to do here.
Okay. How about that one? Look at there. So this one,
Hey, Dad, is
they're all just single.
yeah.
So it's all going all yucky.
Yeah, because they have that white one, honey. How about, look at this one.
I love White House.
Yeah, I know. I like White House too, Papa.
And a pink house.
A pink house?
Yeah. They're the same, but they're connected.
I like the first one.
They don't know. Oh, look at that trash. Mom.
Yeah. Okay, yun lang yung bahay dito sa seafront.
Oh, those, this will be worth millions.
That one?
There, and that.
Yeah, because they're gonna renovate and then it's
No,
gonna be look
spot.
the spot, yeah, beachfront. There's nothing there?
I've been on the elevator. Pacific Ocean.
Sana yung bahay na yun. This one's okay.
I love my yard.
Huh?
I love my boat.
That one I showed that night when they got their lights on.
Which one? The first one? That's new. Look at this one. Their balcony. Can you go in? The house over there. Andun yung bahay. Yeah, looks nice.
Oh, I can believe it.
Yeah, it's like a square. It's just a
Got
square.
a bit of
My
shape.
boat.
Yeah, we want like something, not just like square.
This, if that's one house, that,
Yeah, this one, yeah. I know, it's very huge.
yeah, that one looks good at night.
Yeah, this one. Maganda yung bahay, guys. Oh. Ayan, oh, yang ito ba? Ganda, oh. Oh, ikot-ikot lang muna tayo. Tingin-tingin ng bahay. Design ba? Para sa future. Wow. Yeah, para sa future. Ang gaganda ng bahay dito, ha? They have good houses here, honey.
Nice one there. Nice one there. Nice one there.
Sama ko na kayo. Tingin-tingin din kayo. Ayan, oh, ganda din yun. Baka may gusto kayong bahay dito, guys. Oh, that one's big too, honey. That one. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Eto, laki nito, oh. This one is huge, honey. And this one's nice. So look at that, hon. Look at the stairs. See that?
I want to go downstairs.
Look at the door, hon. It's big. Okay. Saan na naman tayo? Ayan, ang ganda, oh. Square lang siya, oh. This is new, oh. Kinagawa pa. There's more there, honey. Ayan, ganda din siya. Oh, look at daan. Wood and glass. Shucks, hindi ko lang sana tayo, guys. Balik na ata tayo. Yun lang. Tapos na yung tour house natin. Sightseeing ba ng mga bahay-bahay?
Off the stone trails, look.
Yeah.
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 Nice out, no rough.
Yeah. So, nagtitingin kami
Looks
na
good, start.
mga design. Design ba?
I see some.
Ulit. Ayan. This is new? No, that's old houses. No, not like that one.
One more.
So, we're gonna go for stone. Stone house. Or bricks. For our future house. Kasi yung mga ano, yung nakita niyo yung mga rusts, ayan oh, may rust silang line. So, yun ang ayaw ni Johnny Boy.
Mom,
Yeah.
when Tita Ray was at our house,
Yes.
Tita Ray said, baby, don't go with the strangers.
That's right. You don't go with strangers.
I remember in the Philippines when Zach was holding someone.
Ayan.
I thought that was Mom.
Whatever.
Jackie boy.
Boys.
But was that a stranger? Yeah.
That one is nice too. But I never seen any stone house, hon. That one.
Yeah, because that
Look at this one. Nah.
Jaffa stone. They all rusty.
Yeah, yucky. How about that one? Look. Ah, no.
So I like the brick up the middle. I like
Yeah. Brick in the middle. That one is look nice too.
Do you know where we're going?
it.
Yeah. That one looks nice, and that one there.
Mom, if we go to strangers, how do you decide it was a puddle?
Huh? You don't go with strangers. Ito yung harap nila, guys, oh. Beachfront. Itong mga bahay na tinitingnan natin. Ayan, beach.
Yeah, but there's Jenna.
Look at this one, hon. No.
You said they come back.
Yeah, no.
No, that's when you throw the roll back.
Those ones.
This one, yeah.
Mom, do you find right at the wall? Why do you always have to cook?
Smells stink.
Smells good.
Smells good. That one, look at that, hon. So, liko raw tayo dito. Kasi baka makapag-drive tayo dito sa, ano talaga, sa front talaga ng beach. I don't think so. Ah, yeah. You could, hon. Okay. Ayan yung beach.
It's the ship.
Where?
Mom. Oh,
Yeah.
it's the Pacific Ocean.
Ay, ayan na, guys. Ang mga bahay. Sige, tingin ulit tayo, guys.
You can't drive on the beach.
Look at this one, hon. That gray one. Slowly only. Look this, huh? Which one? This one? Not this one. This one. This one? No, it's not.
How about bike? You can do anything on the beach.
How about this one? No, that's square.
When I was in my
No.
taken by a wave.
Square. Yung mga bagong ginagawa. Square din siya, oh. Yung pinakauna talagang mas maganda. Ayan yung harap, oh. Talagang harap sa dagat na. Tingnan nyo naman to, oh. Ay, hindi siya. Na. Halos parang square lang yung design ng mga bahay dito, oh. Look at this one na.
Dad, don't you know they're like 12?
Ang harap, square lang talaga siya. No. The first house, hon. The white one. The one at the corner.
Look at that.
So you look at washing the windows.
Yeah.
You do it all the time.
Yep, and car behind you.
Ganun daw ang trabaho. This one, look. Simple.
Thing is, say,
Eto, hon. White house. So, yun lang. Ayun, look at that one, hon. See that one? At the corner again? Another one. Ayun ba, oh.
Oh, we have to pull one.
Look at that one there. Yes, you see that? Okay. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo, guys, bago mag-golf kasi may oras pa naman. Ayan, oh.
Going up. What climbing now? It's the white one. Dad, Shana.
One?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, we have it. Oh, we have.
Yes, we did. Yeah, nakita na natin yung nandun. So, umikot lang tayo. Pardon you, Baba.
It's a beautiful morning. Don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you complain about the waves. Guess there's nothing feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Oh, where did all the good things go? Where did they go? Where did they go? Oh, falling out of love too slow. It's too slow. It's a beautiful morning. Don't throw it.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.